What are the digital tools that buyers and sellers want us to deliver to them? Interesting question. So this is a new study that's recently come out that shares with us exactly what buyers and sellers would like us to use when they're working with them. So number one is a 3D virtual tour, kind of like a Matterport tour. Another one that goes along with that is a digital floor plan. Now that might be something, again, a Matterport kind of situation where people can see the entire floor plan of the house. Sometimes with new construction we have that. Other times we might have to build that. Email notifications, most of us have that available through our franchise groups or even through our offices, where we can send automated emails to clients based on their needs that match the MLS database. And then video tours with the agent, offering to walk somebody through a house, maybe on FaceTime, and they're not even physically present. And last, the ability to unlock a home and not even have the agent present with new technology that's coming out from companies like TOORs. We haven't seen that widespread in a lot of the market, but there's a lot of demand for it. So we'll see if that starts to come to fruition. So here's a couple of questions for you. You know you're going to sell a house in an hour after you take a listing. You're probably going to get multiple offers in the next day or so. Why would you go through the trouble of creating a 3D virtual tour or a digital floor plan? Why would you go through the trouble of creating a video maybe or having HD photos taken when you know the property is going to sell? It's just extra cost for you. That's the wrong way to think about it. Yes, you're going to probably sell the listing instantaneously, but what we're going to look at in terms of your marketing is that this is a resume for your next listing. The neighbors are watching, your database is watching, and when you put out massively excellent video marketing and 3D photography, 3D virtual tours, all the things we're talking about here, what it's signaling to everyone is that they can feel confident in using you and referring you to their friends and family and neighbors and colleagues. That's what we want. We want people referring you. These all are a resume. So every listing you take, go all in on your marketing. Don't skimp. Don't push back, just go all in, and those people will then refer you to their friends and family. Hope that helps you today. If you want some ideas on really diving deep into your business, really blowing up your lead generation and making you into a monster when it comes to leads and receiving a steady stream of leads, jump over and check us out over at eRealEstateCoach.com. Check out the Path Performance Coaching. We're going to give you 2 weeks for free, 2 weeks for free to check us out and see if that's a good fit for you. It's the most affordable coaching in the country, and we give you a tremendous amount of value there. 150 coaching live sessions a year, plus 16 weeks of intense coaching right off the bat to get you started. Hundreds of downloads. Check us out at eRealEstateCoach.com. Have a fantastic day and good selling.